welcome back to my channel. This is Joy. Today I want to show you how to make mint soap. So this soap is very good for skin. If you've not had mint soap to your skin beauty routine, please do so. And this mint soap is very good for acne, for pimples. So if you have blemishes, this mint soap is going to clear it out in no time. So if you want to learn how to make this mint soap, please don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned on this channel and let me show you how to make this mint. So the first thing is to cut my mint. You cut it into small pieces. So put it inside your blender. So now I will cut my crystalline soap into small pieces. I will add my lavender oil. Add like 1 spoon of lavender. I will add my lemon oil. Half spoon of lemon oil. So I will add my vitamin E capsule. That is vitamin E oil. So I will squeeze it inside. I'll add little of coconut oil. So now I will put it inside hot water to make the crystalline melt. So now this is my mint leaf that I blended. So I'm going to filter it and put mix it together. So now I'm gonna need my Vaseline. So I will rub my Vaseline inside. So that it will be easy for me to remove the soap easily. That is why I'm using the Vaseline. So now I'm going to transfer it inside my plate. Then we'll come back to it. So you need to put this in the freezer for about 1 hour or 2 hours, then we'll come back to it. So guys, this is my soap. So this is how it comes out. So this soap, you can use it for pimples. If you have acne, this soap can clear off those acne. If you have black under eyes, this soap is able to clear it off because the mint leaf contains a lot of vitamin and it contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. So this soap is really good if you have pimples and pigmentation. So this is going to clear it off. So thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this video is helpful and useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and bye for now.